I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Good evening. How was our day? Good day. This night we want to cook yam, fish, pepper soup. As I'm looking at yam, catfish, pepper soup. So inside our pot we have our yam, and we want to add the other ingredients. The next ingredient we will add is seasoning cube. You know you have to cook your yam for it to be a little bit done before you add your catfish. You know that once you add your catfish, under 5-10 minutes, under 5-7 minutes, catfish is done. So you have to cook your yam, please let it almost done before you add your catfish. So we are adding our seasoning cube now. Our seasoning cube. Next ingredient we are going to add is our salt. Our salt. Next thing we will add is our pounded pepper and crayfish. Then you done. Then you cover your pot, leave it to boil. We are back. The next ingredient we are adding is our sliced onion, and the next one is our pepper soup spicy. You done. Then you cover. We are back. See our yam. So we are introducing our catfish. After our catfish, we need to introduce our sesame leaf. This is our sesame leaf. Sorry for the mistake. This is our sesame leaf. We will not use this to cook pepper soup. No. At this point, you use a wooden turner. Because if you use a stainless spoon to thin your pieces the fish, just give it a little bit turning so that the fish will enter inside. Then we cover it. Then we are introducing our scent leaf. You can go call ahiji. Some people call ahiji, some people call cham. Depending on. So that's our scent leaf. Inside the pot of the yam and the catfish pepper soup. It's good for the weather. Give it a turn, just a little bit turn. Be careful so that the fish will not pieces. Then we cover it. So see our yam pepper soup. Catfish yam pepper soup. See they enter your eye. See it's ready. Please come and join us. We love you guys. Come and join us. Bring your spoon. It's allowed. See our yam, our catfish yam pepper soup. Our catfish yam pepper soup. I can't say yam pepper soup. Zuma where. My family come and join us. This is our dinner tonight. I love you guys. Bye.